Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sure you will find it useful. I have the absolute pleasure in showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this beautiful 2021 D300 Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic Black. Now the HSE Dynamic Black was a trim level of its own, giving you all the aspects of the black exterior package, which we can see from the outset. From the 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, we have the black vents on the side panels, louvres on the bonnet, as well as the high gloss black front grille with black badging. So from the outset, the vehicle looks absolutely stunning. It's been very well looked after and has an absolutely superb standard specification. Now you may already be able to see, as we have it tilted, that we have a sliding panoramic glass sunroof. As well as the other aspects of the black pack, we have privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, as well as the gloss black window trims to complement it and finish the car off absolutely superbly. Now what I'd like to do is just take you to the inside of the car, show you through some of the other features that the vehicle has, which we can start here just on the door card. So if there is more than one driver, then we have the 3-stage electric memory front seats. So that will record not only the seating position, but the steering wheel and mirrors, making you go back to your driving position exactly. We have the upgraded Meridian surround sound system, so if you do like your music, get a lovely crisp, clean sound. And as I scan over here once more, I must point out that sliding panoramic roof, which really does brighten up the interior, which as you can see is finished with the full ebony leather. Now if I just jump in, this 2021 model has only covered 10,161 miles. If we start up the vehicle, we have Land Rover welcoming us there, and we have the up-to-date Touch Pro Duo infotainment system, as well as a reversing camera helping you to reverse park into those tighter spots, dual zone climate control, and heated seats for both driver and passenger, but that is also extended to the rear seat, the second row, so the rear passengers can also have the heated seats. I'll just span back over here to the steering wheel. We do have the standard cruise control with speed limiter, as well as a heated steering wheel and a full digital display, which you can change to a full map, one dial, or the 2 dials, as you can see here. We have the center cooler compartment. It really is a superb vehicle. It's been very, very well looked after. It's in superb condition, and I'm sure he's looking forward to finding a nice new home. So I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for the inquiry. Thank you very much for watching the video, and for any further assistance, please contact our award-winning sales team. We can discuss all your finance requirements, and we do also have our Life Shine Auto Glim to protect this beautiful Santorini Black Metallic paintwork. So thanks for watching, and we look forward to speaking to you again soon.